Good evening, Room 15. We're back to Niblina's Nifty Notes. I apologize, it's been a while since I created a video. I thought I'd get back to these and try to get back doing these a little bit more frequently. So today we are on lesson 25. We are converting measurement units, and we are focusing on converting larger units to smaller units, so large to small. This is lesson 25, sessions 1 and session 2, pages 509 to 518. Now feel free to pause and record the learning goal. You do not have to write down the asterisk. It was just making sure that you've done that already. The learning goal for this lesson is today I will learn how to convert measurement units from larger units to smaller units using multiplication. So for sessions 1 and 2, we are only multiplying. Session 3, we will be converting smaller units to larger units, which is using division, but we're not on that today. Again, everyone was given the measurement cheat sheet, you can call it. Please make sure to glue those into your math journals or your notebooks and use during your classwork and homework. It's a lot, so you won't be able to remember all of them, so you're allowed to use them as much as you can. All right, so we're going to go over, we have some vocabulary. Please pause again and go ahead and write these down. So lesson 25, the first one is convert. We're converting units, so it's to write an equivalent measurement using a different unit. So I could say 2 feet is equivalent to 36 inches. They are the same length, however, they are different measurements. Customary system is a measurement system used in the US that uses inches, yards, miles for length, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons for volume in liquid, and ounces and pounds for weight. The metric system is the system that measures length in meters, volume in liters, and mass in grams. For meters, there is, I think, about 6 different ones: hectometers, decameters, millimeters, centimeters, and I think there's about 2 more. For liters, there's milliliters and liters, milliliters being a smaller unit, and grams, there's milligrams and grams. Okay. Here is the customary system, metric system, your cheat sheet that you should have glued in. Gives you length, liquid, volume, weight, time. We will be using area and perimeter formulas in some of your word problems. Metric system, length, liquid, volume, and mass. Okay, so you're allowed to use this. You should have already done so of gluing this into your math journals. All right, so we're going to exit this and we're going to go ahead and work on one of the problems. Give me 1 second. All right, so feel free to write this practice problem onto your, let me erase this. Okay, so you're going to write this example into your notebook. Okay, I'll erase this again. So it says Lyra finds an antique dresser that is 4 feet wide. She wants to know if it will fit in her room. She measures the space in inches. How many inches wide is the dresser? So the great thing about these problems in the book, they already do offer, they tell you what your measurement is. So 1 foot is 12 inches. So sometimes you may not need to go back to your cheat sheet if it tells you. You may understand it already. So again, what is it asking us to do? It's asking us to convert 4 feet wide, 4 feet, right? That's the size of her dresser into inches. Okay. Now I said 4 feet or feet is a larger unit to measure than it is to inches. So when we convert a larger unit, right? This is large. I'll abbreviate LRG to small, right? So from large to small, we have to multiply. Okay. And when it's from small to large, it's division. But right now we are focusing on large to small. So we go 4 feet to how many inches are in 1 foot? Okay, so if you need to go back to your measurements, right here it is, we can see right here in the left-hand corner, length 1 foot equals 12 inches. So going back, we're going to multiply 4 feet times 12, and that would give us 48 inches, right? Not too difficult, just understanding when you're using the cheat sheet, understanding what's large and what's smaller, okay? So that's the first problem. Okay, now again, pause at any time if you need to catch up or if you need to go back. Feel free to do so. All right, on the next problem. Okay, so here's another one. So this is in your math book on first session. So as Mark is filling 1 cup containers with juice. He has 5 gallons of juice. How many 1 cup containers can he fill? Again, tells you 1 gallon equals 16 cups. Okay, so I'm going from 5 gallons. I'm converting 5 gallons to how many cups? All right, and again, we know we are multiplying 5 gallons, and it tells you right here. So you may not even need to go to your cheat sheet. There are 16 cups in 1 gallon. Okay, so now we can use distributive property, 10 and 5 to multiply. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, I add those together. Nope, sorry. 5 times 6 is 30. Sorry, actually, I'm making a mistake right now. I meant to bring down the 6. Okay, give me 1 second. 5 times 6 is 30. There we go. And then we would add these. 50 plus 30 equals 80. So that would say 80 cups is equal to 5 gallons, right? Or if you wanted to use the standard algorithm, which some of us still need to practice, 6 times 5 is 30. I carry the 3. Okay, 5 times 1 is 5 plus the 3. That gives me 80 cups. Okay, so those are the 2 problems that were just extra practice problems. You should have wrote this one down into your notebook, and everything that I've written down also into your notebook. So let's go back to the learning goal. Okay. So again, today I will learn how to convert measurement units, larger units to smaller units using multiplication. Okay, so again, all of these problems should be multiplying until tomorrow we will be dividing. Okay, here's your homework. Oh, here is a cheat sheet one more time. Classwork homework. After this video, you're going to go ahead and work on pages 516 through 518. So that's 516, 517, 518. That's 3 pages, along with the worksheet converting larger units to smaller units. Okay, again, only multiplying. Any unfinished classwork is homework. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back to it if you need to, and let me know what your thoughts are. Thanks.